Hello guys, if you're spending more than $2,000 a month on AI tools, stop right here. Today, I'm bringing you a platform with a massive library that brings together every AI tool you need all in one place for a subscription price that's honestly hard to believe. If you're interested, the link is down in the description. Now, let me show you some of the tools you'll find on this platform. First up, Minea. This lets you find winning products and spy on the best performing ads in just a few clicks. Then you've got ChatGPT, ready to use instantly for content, ideas, and everything AI related. Right next to it, Claude, perfect for deeper research and high quality writing. Then there's Dripship, built to help you manage and automate your dropshipping store. Fastmoss is in there too, so you can track trending products straight from TikTok. And finally, AdSpy, to spy on your competitors' best ads. All of this in one single subscription. This platform brings together more than 50 premium tools in one single place. Writing tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini, design tools like Canva Pro and Midjourney, audio tools like 11 Labs, and even e-commerce and competitor research tools like SimilarWeb and Jungle Scout, just to name a few. So instead of jumping between dozens of websites and paying for look at this. Over 2,847 entrepreneurs already joined, and new members are signing up right now, every few seconds. Now let's move on to the subscription plan. As you can see, this platform has a perfect 5-star rating with hundreds of positive reviews from real users. And right now, they're offering a 20% discount, bringing the price down from $36 to just $29 a month. So don't miss out on this deal. If you're interested, the link is down in the description. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.